amakolokolo phansi. Uhambe amakolokolo hambe. Ama-drugs engisho ngapha ngabe isuka kufingane yami kulowo ama-drugs. Lapha eCongo phesheya lapha yami yo ama-drugs ayisabekayo. Amakolokolo vele eCongo awasho ukuthi iyakhala ngeCongo. Nakhona lapha entokozweni. Nakhona enande emjebheni. Washo imoto. Shona ngaphansi ngale yiyo lento nje. Iyasibulala leyo nto. Uma ngabe ifika nabantu kuthiwa ukuhamba. Nami ngalikhipha elithi bahambise impela madoda.
Into kade ngifisa ukuyidlulisa ndaba ezethu ukuthi sikulenyaka engaka business support lokuzama business support ukhipha ama licenses ithola isimanga laphana ukuthi most especially angithi kune fund ephumile for ama spaza shops siyakhumbula uthe sekunjalo then wase mangifika mina ema-ofisini akhona ngifica kugcwala amaSomali and my question is ma people local people abaney'baza shop because abasibaza shop akhiwa abantu abayi-local African people abayi-local why kugcwala amaSomali here athi bona abane-courage ukuthi beze bezo-aplayela therefore njengoba nibona bezomisa ama-container it's part of that funding so okwangampela bakuthi kufanele silwe asiqale siyovala lapha ka-business licensing kube ne-policy ethi no to Somalis or any other akube ngempela South African black owned spaza shops
Khumuka isiqoko khumuka umakarapa amathacontsele entshebeni ilephu siyaqandula today's episode isiqandulo sikhuluma ngodaba lenkosi yamaqadi ubaba uNgcobo inkosi yesizwe samaqadi siyazi inkosi yamaqadi ukuthi umhlaba ola uzovinjwa ulwandle leThekwini umhlaba ongaphansi kwenkosi yamaqadi so ke manje lana kube vakashele ke ungizwe nethimba lakhe ke elamisana ne-March and March mayelana nemikhankaso ke ukuthi amabahambe siyalizwa ke izwi lakhe elisho elikhipha iphimbo lakhe undaba ezithe isholo yena ethi cha mabahambele abagodukiswe usho kanjalo uchaza nenkulumo ebuhlungu ehlela yena ke nomndeni wakhe echaza ukuthi naye wacishwa felwa ingane yingenxa yawo idakamizwa lezi so cabanga amakhala inkosi yesizwe ke ukuthi naye icishe felwa ingane izwe idakamizwa ukuthi into ebucayi kanjani into ebuhlungu kanjani ke le esizweni esimnyama so lana ke ibekile udaba ke impela yabakhulula yathi madoda ayikhona mabahambele lana ke sithola ke nokuphawula kunkosazana ke uSibongile Khuzwayo ke echaza naye ngokuthi ke cha le ndaba abantu bokufika siyinkinga kakhulu ngoba ke uchaza ke le ndaba eyinkinga kakhulu ke ephathelene nezipaza shop la sinenkinga khona ke kakhulukazi ke izipaza zamaSomali la kutholakala khona ukuthi ngathi zithola uxhaso ngaphansi kohlelo kahulumeni olubekelwe abantu okuyibona abala eMzantsi Afrika futhi singasho sithi abantu small business njengazo izipaza shop okumele ngabe uxhaso abaluthola abantu abala ezweni kodwa ke lelo xhaso lihamba liyothola abantu bangaphandle so lana ke sithole enye video ke ufakazi la nto kade shiwo unkosazana Khuzwayo ukuthi nayi sibona indaba eGoli yenzeka somabhizinisi baseBangladesh bathi yini Bakasa behlangene impela nomnyango wezaka small business eGoli no secretary kudiscusswa yona indaba ukuthi bazothola kanjani uxhaso futhi sizwa nenkulumo eningi njengengize ngikwazi ukuyichaza kahle kuzoba ngcono ukunizwe le nina ukuthi cha naba bedayisizwe silalele sibuka ngike indaba imali kuyaplanwa ukuthi ke mayisuka lapha eJohannesburg izosabala lishoniphi Pretoria kanjalo hey bakhi empire sikhona la ngicela nithokoza nilalele nina thank you siyabonga
no the whole city or
yes I hope that is from the department and from the Sanko if we get the help I hope that is in 3 to 4 months we're gonna get it.
Okay. You know what I want to like the reason that I was saying, like what you are asking now, I think is relevant. That's why I said I wanted us to zoom in. I'm glad that you're talking Gauteng. I think now we can decide that we're doing Joburg.
Yeah.
And when are we going to start? Because it's important for us to have a database so that we know who are we dealing with, where they are, and what their status is. Then it makes it easy for registration.
That's why I said this. We need to start to work. And if it's, you remember we're discussing about the Sanko, we're going to involve with the Concord and we need help from them to helping us to go to WA.
Sure. Let me put it differently. You know, the question of the help that you need, I don't think it is a question that, you know, we will contest. We just need to know whether, you know, are you ready for us to undertake this way? Though I mean, when we start, we should be realistic, you know, to start with, say, City of Joburg. And then we'll go to City of, what's it called? City of Tshwane. Then go to further down in the Val. And then, you know, the Western and then the Eastern. So that, you know, we move from one place to the next and know that as soon as we move from City of Joburg, when we move to the next one, we would have done 90% of the work. But then, also, given that this is going to be a collaborative effort, the role of the Department of State Development will be there. Your role as Bakasa will be there. The role of Sanko will be there. Meaning that all of us should come together to ensure that at least we get the statistics, the census. But to conduct the census is very, very expensive, usually. But then, you know, given that people are on the ground and given that in each and every town you do know at least one representative who will, you know, it will be a snowball effect. One person will send us to the other because the community know one another because maybe you go to mosque together, you know, or such. Yes. So using the community linkages or other community relationships is very, very important. We can be there, however, I mean, what our contribution as the Department of Small Business Development or SANCO, you know, what our contributions will be defined. You know, as soon as we say that yes, we are ready, and we may start by using the form that you have here as a base to say, do we need to improve this form so that, you know, we can collect as much information as possible.
I think it's there from first of the month is 1st of March they will be ready to.
You start preparing or you see something will be done by 1st of March? It's not clear.
No, start to go to the.
Oh, you started preparing, database. Okay. And it's a small area, you assistant CBD. It's good option. And then who will do it? The committee will make a committee of the Bangladesh, consistent Bangladesh people want to combine the other local South African people. I mean, it needs to be clear. I mean, who will do it for you? Just to make a structure.
I think we had previously that from now we are dealing with just the
Bangladesh community.
like the other ones that approached us.
That's obvious in this community, but the database preparation, taking information, listing them down, who will do that practical work? Is only ourselves, or we have to work hand in hand with a local,